More about salts. Family of salts. Salt with the same positive or negative pole are said to belong to the same family, such as NaCl and Na2SO4 belong to the family of sodium salts, same as NaCl and KCl belong to the chloride salts. Salts of a strong acid and a strong base are neutral with pH value of 7. On the other hand, salts of a strong acid and weak base are acidic with pH value less than 7, and those of a strong base and weak acid are basic in nature with pH value more than 7. Some samples of salts, solubility in water, estimated pH, salts acidic, basic or neutral, acids used, bases used.